is every ride at Lotte World Busan in 3 minutes!
We're going to show you every attraction in the park so that you know exactly what your day at Lotte World Busan will look like. And we're going to start off with the biggest ride, the Giant Digger. There's not going to be a whole lot of talking in this video, we just want to show you the rides. If you like this kind of video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. More of the big rides are coming later on in the video. For now, let's check out some of the other rides of the park.
And we are Lotte Adventure!
This one is to be avoided if you don't want to get wet. This is the Giant Splash.
Bye now!
A few more of the kiddies rides now. And then we headed for the farmland for the cookie train.
Let's go on the cookie train! Yoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!
And finally, a few more kids rides all around the farmland. Make sure you check out the view from Lorry Castle.
Giant swing is not running today, so you're just gonna have to imagine it. It's like this.
Ogre's Flume was also not running, and that is every ride. Here is a small snippet from the parade. If this video was too short for you, you can find our full day vlog over on our channel.
And that was every ride at Lotte World Busan in 3 minutes. Like and subscribe to see our next video. See you later.